So hey guys, what's up? I'm Arjit and today in this video I'm going to show you that how to turn off extreme power saving mode on any Samsung Android smartphone successfully without any error if you have already applied it. So in this video now, without wasting any further time, let's quickly get started. So okay friends, to do that, first of all you of course need your phone in which you want to do that. I have this Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime 2 and it's my secondary phone. So okay, let's first unlock it, and if you already applied it, so you already know that it's not possible for us to use any face recognition or any fingerprint scanner. I mean, the when this applied already, this extreme power saving mode already applied. Here I already applied it, so I'm not able to use my face ID or any fingerprint scanning. Okay, so now just use normal pin pattern or password, and my pin is that. And to turn off, there are two options. Okay, there is, you can see three dots, you have to simply click on it, and there is an option called, you can see, turn off maximum power saving mode. You can do that by clicking here. Otherwise you can also do that by swiping down the control panel, and here this icon, this is the icon. You can also click so now maximum power saving mode is turning off. Okay, as you can see, and it will also turn off the dark mode that is already applied. So here you can see the power saving mode already turned off. I mean the maximum power saving mode already turned off, as you can see here. Okay, and now you can definitely use your fingerprint scanner if you want. That I use now, and if you already said if face ID, then you can also use that. Otherwise you can also use a pin pattern password if you want to use that. So friends, that's all in this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and hope to see all of you again in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.